Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to get your Aviator Predictor app activation code. So the first thing you'll have to do is search up your GitHub Aviator Prediction app activation code, and then press on the second link right here, and then you're going to be able to download this application for Android only. So here you can activate this or download this app to get an activator code. It's going to generate one for you. So Aviator from Scribe is one of the lit or hits in the online gambling community basically. So this will help you in their prediction and the activation code. So as you can see right here, this is the details about the application, the release date, the volatility, the RTP, and your reward per stake. So your minimum bet and maximum bets will be also here. So it's already integrated into this. So you'll have the activation code already basically once you download this. So it's not going to be available in your iOS. So as you can see, these are the details. If you want to go and read through those, you can do so basically. But when it comes to the activation code, you can just download the application and it will be built in right here. So there you go.